Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and I'm also fine, and it's a new vlog of cooking. And today we'll be making tortilla wraps. So let's get into the recipe and get cooking. Let's talk about the ingredients of this recipe. So first, the main ingredient are some tortilla wraps. You can use any shape or any size of tortilla wraps as you want. And here we have some chicken. My mom marinated it with all the spices because we love spices, such as chili flakes, soy sauce, vinegar, and all those spicy stuff. And then for the tortilla wraps, because I love sauces, so we got smoky barbecue, mayonnaise, ketchup and barbecue and mustard. And also we got some salad which have green leaves, cucumbers and carrots. So let's get cooking started. Let's show you how to make another one. To be rough and spread it. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some onion, then some carrots, and just one more leaf, and two cucumbers, and one carrot. I think it should go here. And then I'm gonna add some chicken. Here. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna add some you're also gonna add some mustard. Now you can see the look of these tortilla wraps. They are so yummy and so delicious. I hope you like this cooking vlog, and hopefully we'll make another one. And please like, share, and subscribe. We are enjoying our tortilla wraps. They're so yummy and so delicious. Just a bit spicy, but it's so good. And I hope you like my vlog.